the American West, land of vast skies and endless prairies, of rugged mountains and shimmering deserts. It beckoned with the promise of adventure, of a fresh start. But for the women who braved the journey, the reality was often stark. Towns sprung up along dusty trails. Homes were small, often just a single room. Water was precious, hauled from creeks or wells. The relentless sun turned the landscape into a parched expanse. Life on the frontier demanded strength and resilience. The women met these challenges head-on. They learned to adapt and create normalcy amidst extraordinary circumstances. Water, the lifeblood of any household, was a prized commodity on the frontier. Every drop, carefully collected from wells or nearby streams, was essential for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Women, tasked with the daily running of the household, became masters of water conservation. Forget the luxury of a leisurely soak in a clawfoot tub. Bathing on the frontier was a matter of practicality, a quick scrub using a tin basin and a carefully measured amount of water heated over an open fire. Evenings often found families gathered around the hearth, sharing stories and laughter as they took turns washing up in the warm glow of the firelight. This simple ritual, a moment of shared intimacy amidst the hardships of frontier life, served as a reminder of the importance of family and community. Cleanliness, even in the harshest of environments, was a priority for the women of the West. Store-bought goods were a rare luxury, so they learned to make do with what they had on hand, transforming simple ingredients into necessities. Soap, essential for both personal hygiene and household cleaning, was one such item. The process of soap making was a messy but satisfying one. Lye, carefully extracted from wood ash, was combined with animal fat, usually lard, in precise proportions. This mixture, carefully tended over an open fire, was stirred for hours until it thickened into a rich, amber-coloured soap. The scent of wood smoke and lye filled the air, a familiar aroma that spoke of resourcefulness and self-sufficiency. Section 4. Washboards and wind-dried sheets. Laundry day on the prairie. Laundry day on the frontier was a labour-intensive affair, a far cry from the convenience of modern appliances. Clothes, often soiled from a hard day's work or play, were gathered and hauled to the nearest water source, be it a creek, a river or a well. The women, their hands raw from scrubbing, would spend hours bent over washboards, working the dirt and grime from their families' clothing. Homemade lye soap, its rich lather cutting through the toughest stains, was a prized commodity on laundry day. Once washed, the clothes were rinsed and then hung to dry in the warm prairie wind, their colours vibrant against the endless blue sky. The sweet, clean scent of sun-dried laundry filled the air, a small but satisfying victory over the dust and grime of frontier life. Section 5. Vinegar rinses and herbal remedies, beauty secrets of the frontier woman. The harsh conditions of the frontier took their toll on a woman's appearance. The relentless sun and wind dried their skin, and access to store-bought beauty products was practically non-existent. Yet even in the face of adversity, these women found ways to care for themselves, relying on nature's bounty and their own ingenuity. Vinegar rinses, made from apple cider vinegar, were a popular remedy for sun-bleached hair, restoring its shine and luster. Herbs gathered from the surrounding hillsides were transformed into soothing salves for chapped hands and sunburned skin. The women of the West, though their beauty routines were simple and practical, understood the importance of self-care. It was a way to maintain a sense of normalcy, to reclaim a bit of femininity amidst the ruggedness of frontier life. Section 6. The Frontier Spirit. A legacy of resourcefulness and resilience. The women of the American West faced challenges that would have daunted the bravest of souls. They endured harsh weather, limited resources, and constant danger. Yet they persevered. They built homes, raised families, and created communities in unforgiving landscapes. Their lives are a testament to the indomitable spirit of the human heart. Their stories remind us of the strength and resilience within us all. Remember their grit, determination, and belief in a better tomorrow. Let their stories inspire you to face your own challenges with courage and creativity.